So, why are we here?
We're doing black belt training.
What's black belt? You know what? Let's not worry about black belt. Let's talk about why are we here. Why are we here? We're doing black belts.
We're doing black belt training.
What's black belt? People don't even know what black belt is. Let's talk about black belt. You know what? Let's not worry about black belt. Let's talk about why we're here.
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
Yeah.
What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Okay. What are we doing? We are training. We are training to be better. So, a lot of people ask me, you've been in real estate for 9 years now, do you still train? And the answer is yes. I actually did a live training yesterday on Facebook with Michael Choi. He put me on the spot and he said, you're going to do it because I want you to be an example. And I was like, okay, I'll do it. So it's not about when do you start, how long you've been in the industry. It's just all about training. So these two here, this is Calvin, this is Faith, young guns, right? Top performers. How many properties do you sold in the last 6 months?
6 months, about 24.
Oh my god, that's a lot of properties. And how long you been in the industry?
Just a year and a half.
A year and a half, and he sold 24.
Yeah, with my colleagues as well.
Yeah, but he did it, right? It's crazy. That's really crazy. And Calvin, how long you been in the industry?
4 or 5 months.
4 or 5 months. These two never done real estate before, right? So I'm glad I'm sitting with these two. You know why? I'm actually going to be learning from them as well. As much as I give them the information and share my expertise and experience for the last 9 years, but also these guys just sold. I haven't even sold 24 properties in the last 6 months, but these guys did. So I was just want to learn from these guys how they did it. So Kelvin, how many listing leads obviously you got in the last month or so?
A month or so.
Yeah.
In total, since I've been here, I've got about 11 listing leads and 4 off the market
Holy
listings.
crap, that's a lot.
Wow.
This guy, he's a young gun, he's crazy. I'm so happy to be here training these guys and enjoying this entire thing. So this is the thing, guys. You gotta learn to give as well, okay? As much as you suck out of the information from other people, you need to learn to give. So I'm glad I'm doing this with these two. So I'm getting information from them and give to them, and we train. So, and also, I'm not gonna be rusty because I'm doing all these scripts with these guys as well. So from scratch, like from the start. So black belt training from the beginning. It's like what we did like 8 years ago or 7 years ago.
Bring it back.
So up to date, and we have added a lot back since then. These are not the 8-year scripts, by the way. This is all updated. This is 2019 scripts. So we are just lifting our game a lot.
Always developing, always improving.
Always improving, correct. Always developing, learning from each other. It's got a massive team. Do well. And what are you guys planning on doing for the rest of the day as well? You got a lot of appointments?
Bio appointments.
Via, yeah? Yeah, cool.
And a few prizes.
Yeah. Kelvin, how many connect calls do you make in a day?
About 30 connected calls in a day.
Then how many times you have to dial? Like how many times you gonna pick up?
100 times.
100 times. He has to do that to get 30 connect calls. And in a week, you probably does about what?
In a week I do about
150
150
connected calls. That means you probably would have dialed 1,000 numbers. Crazy guy. All right, I'll let you guys watch the series, and please subscribe to us on YouTube.